very happy we have this opportunity to host the first big data hackathon in Egypt. It's actually the 7th hosted worldwide. The main objective of the hackathon is to attract all data scientists across the whole entire community. Starting from customers, partners, university students, professors, pretty much anybody who has interest in learning more about the big data platform from a Microsoft perspective. We have around 160 attendees out of an expected 200, which is a very good percentage, and I would say this is a success considering the amount of interest that we're getting from the Egyptian community.
Today it's a very special day because it's actually covering the new features, the trends about how to deal with unstructured and structured data, and the huge amount of data being increasing and velocity and variety of type. So how can adapt to this evolution, and how our pioneers in Egypt and worldwide can adopt the new technologies Microsoft offering through HD insights, through Hadoop, through several tools and machine learning and predictive analytics, to be able to cope with the new demands and new needs and generate new insights.
We're not only focusing on professional developers, but a lot of other developers, including students, was very excited to know what's big data and what they can do with big data actually. So they were very interested with a lot of sessions introduced at the beginning, give them more of overview about what they can do and how they can use it in their business overall.
It was a very great opportunity for us to learn about Azure, especially that we haven't experienced such great framework before, and use our knowledge in building a Windows app.
We are seeing that Microsoft Big Data is a very promising platform to be work on. Actually, we're working with different platforms, and actually we were looking to see how things are going with Microsoft with that. The hackathon idea, actually, it was very good to have it, so because everyone's trying to do his best, and actually we are running out of time and only a few hours to work on, and actually there was much fun in doing that.
Hackathon was very useful for me. For me it was very useful. It's the first time to code or to know Windows Azure, or to deal with the cloud or cloud computing even. It's the first time to know about big data.
Recently we have decided to start our work in the big data area, which is a very hot area recently in the software development, and we are very interested that there is a chance to have a hackathon like that in Egypt here right now.
And I thought it's a good opportunity because big data and data science have been all the rage for the past few years, but this hasn't really made it in Egypt yet, especially for the young computer science graduates that don't really get to study this as part of their curriculums at universities. They come for 1 or 2 days, they see that technology is actually reachable, they can plug into a service, get a data set, and in a few hours they're actually doing something. I think this is really impressive.
My main role in this event was presenting and mentoring and coaching. I was presenting to them how to consume their Azure ML web APIs in a Windows 8 application or a console application. I've really seen good output of many teams. They had really good ideas, especially one of them was about agriculture and which crop should you plant at which time and which season, and what is the best crop for which environment and weather. It was really a really nice idea, and I've seen really innovative and different ideas.
We have very good contributors here. They are now aware of what is big data, how can they use big data on Microsoft's platform, and good luck for all the contributors.
Thank you very much. بجد يعني thank you so much. Great job.